We will now discuss the reasons for what is known as premature failure. If a bearing fails before its normally expected lifespan, then that is known as premature failure. And there are 9 possible reasons why this may occur. The 9 possibilities are contamination, distortion, misalignment, bad fit, improper lubrication, vibration, electrical current, defective materials, and improper service. Let's discuss each in turn. Contamination is most often caused through the entrance of dirt, dust, and/or water into the moving components. Dirt may enter due to a defective oil seal, or by allowing dirt to enter during a maintenance operation. Typical signs of dirt contamination are light pitting and scratches on the raceways. Contamination is often caused by moisture during storage and is evident by rustiness and light pitting all over, especially on the raceways. Damage can be minimized by regularly inspecting oil seals, careful handling of bearings when servicing, by using only recommended lubricants, and by ensuring that bearings are stored correctly. After the pause, we shall discuss problems caused by distortion.